Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we've got tons of stuff to do. 4 things. Number 1, thank you Nicole Tiki for this shirt. I needed another one. I've been going through the rotation over and over, and it's one of my favorite rides, so thank you very much for that. Number 2, we have to do the giveaway reveal for the Star Wars key. So we're going to get the winner for that. On top of that, we are going to do another giveaway, and we're going to go back to the original style. Let's take a look at what we're going to give away. Check that bad boy out. Minnie Mouse Main Attraction, Tiki Room, May, Lounge Fly, Backpack. All those words for this. And lastly, if you'd care to stick around to the end, we are missing Disney horribly around here. So, they just pushed back opening dates again, and that's a real bummer. So I'm going to just throw a point of view ride footage for Radiator Springs Racers in Disneyland, and, well, in California Adventure. That's one of my favorite rides. It's one they do not have in Disney World, and if you have never seen it, you should really check it out, because it is an amazing ride. Very cool. That's all coming up right now. Okay, so let us begin with the key giveaway. So this is from May the 4th, and these are very sought after. So if you remember how we did this one, we put up several containers full of Skittles, boop, that looked just like that. And your job was to do all the normal stuff that you have to do, plus guess how many Skittles were in that. So the real answer to how many Skittles were in those containers altogether was 2,672. Thank you so much, CJ, for counting them. Not me. And the winner, drumroll please, with a guess of 2,719, pretty darn close, Rose Garden 8,500. So, Rose Garden, keep an eye out for an email from us so that we can get your shipping information and we can get this Star Wars key sent off to you. That being said, let's do the new giveaway. So here it is. I will put a better picture up close, boop, on the turntable, or just the front picture of it, so you can check it out. This was just released in May, and like all of the Minnie Mouse Main Attraction stuff, went like hotcakes. And actually, it was so crazy again for Shop Disney on this that they have paused the other months because they need to figure it out first, because so many people are getting upset that they're not getting it. And we've got one, and it's really cool. It's actually got like burlap on the side. It's a very cool design, and I like it very much, and so does Mary, but I talked her into letting me give it away. So what do you have to do to win this? Just like our original giveaways, we're going to go back to that style because I ate all the Skittles. Not even gonna lie, they're all gone. So I didn't eat them all myself, but a lot of them. So we're gonna go to, you've got to do the 4 things. You've got to like this video, please. You have to comment down below. Doesn't matter what you comment. I don't even care if you yell at me. You can do whatever you want. You need to subscribe to this channel, and in the description down below you will find a Google form, and all I need from you on that form is your YouTube username and your email address, and that way I have a way to contact you, get your shipping information and all that fun stuff. Just a way to verify who you are. So, if you want to get in on this, that's how you do it. That is 3 of the things. So like I said, this is going to be a fairly short video, but I'm going to tack this on the end. For those of you that don't care, you can say bye now. Those of you that want to see the ride footage, here it comes.
Hey, you ever gone tractor tipping? It's easy. You sneak up on them and honk. Ready? Don't let Frank catch you. Honk!
I'm feeling a lot of love, man.
Probably just a bad spark plug, hippie.
Welcome to Race Day.
Radiator Springs.
Champion needs speed.
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
For you, my friend, on with the race. Pick up. Oh, yes. Look. Oh, wonderful times. Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your new crew chief. I'll tell you what we are.
Yes, yes. Now you will have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life.
Alright, so I hope you enjoyed that. It was a really fun ride, and if you paid attention toward the end of the video when we were actually racing, in the other car, we were all in single rider. So front seat, passenger side, Mary. Rear seat, passenger side, CJ. We were racing them, and, you know, I won, because that's how I roll. If you'd like to take a look at last week's video, if you'd like to take a look at if you would like to check out our last video, it was Main Street Mail.
That's the one. There you go.
If you'd like to if you would like to look at our last video, it was Main Street Mail. You can click on that right here and check it out. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. I hope you're having a great day.